actually going to show you a couple of things about how the cruise control works in your new Amarok. So we've got this little stalk here on your left hand side, which is for your indicators, and has some information about your cruise control as well. This is where we control the whole thing. So to turn it on, we simply just slide that across to there. Now the cruise control's on, and once we're driving, we can now set it. So we would simply, once you're doing the speed that you want to set the cruise control to, simply push set on the bottom here and the cruise control will be on. Then if you want to increase or decrease the speed, you can push this toggle switch up or down and that'll adjust your speed. Then if you want to cancel it, you can either put your foot on the brake and that will cancel the cruise control, or you can just half slide that switch there and that'll cancel it. Once you want to turn it back on again, say you've come through a town and you want to reset the cruise control to 100 kilometers an hour, you simply just push the reset button and it'll go to whatever the previous speed was that you had that set to. And it's simple as that.